Hey guys, let's do a quick video on gallery type D or gallery number 4 within the backend. And this is pretty much our final layout that we have here. Now, we do have two options. We have the standard gallery type D that looks like this over here, where you click into a gallery. We have the header, we have a title section, and then our images. We also have the option that is called a quick look for galleries. Now, this is slightly different. You add in a grid of galleries within your listings page, and once you click into a gallery, you do not click into the actual page. The URL does not change, as you can see here. The images simply pop up, and you're able to scroll through the gallery images just like you normally would. However, you're not entering the actual gallery. We also have the option of the day and night mode. You can add images to the lookbook section as well. Now, if you do want to open this gallery or any of these galleries into a separate tab, simply right click and then click on open in a new tab, and you'll be able to do so, and then copy the following link and send it to whoever you may want to send it to. So that's just something for you guys to keep in mind regarding the differences between the gallery D and the quick look option that we have. So let's take a look at the settings within our backend. Unfold our gallery view forward, we do have a mobile tab, and in the following section we can change out the image height only. So this is all pretty simple and straightforward here. Heading over to our specific tab, as you can see, we have 6 sections here for us to adjust. We have the title and meta area, we have our counter, thumbnails, day night mode, etc. Now, one thing that I did forget to mention regarding the following thumbnails is that they do appear right over here. One thing regarding these thumbnails is, unlike gallery number 1, you cannot change out the image height, and you cannot change out the distance or the gap between images. This feature is hard-coded. The images are cropped to be square, therefore the options are quite limited within this specific area. Alright, so as we scroll down, we have our first option is to enable or disable a quick look. And quick look is what we discussed just a minute ago within the following section. You click into a gallery title, and instead of being taken to another page, you're simply able to preview the following images very quickly. So that's where the name quick look comes from. Alright, scrolling further down, we have the standard option of adjusting the image height. The default setting is 600 pixels, so you can simply drag this around to change out the image height. Then we have our title and meta area. This is all pretty simple and straightforward here. This is the title, this is all of the meta area, along with the social sharing options. Display date, hide date, display category, display share trigger, etc., and then make all of the required font style adjustments within this area. Next, we have our counter section. Within this area, you can enable or disable the image counter. So as you can see, once we click on an image, we have image number 2 out of 16, then we have image number 3 out of 16, and so forth. So everything here is pretty simple. Next, you can also change out the position, being left, right, or have it simply set to auto if you don't know where you want this counter to be displayed. And then for our counter font, you can also, or for the font style, you can also make adjustments if necessary. Scrolling further down, we have options for our thumbnails. Now, first of all, you can choose whether or not you want to display thumbnails. If you do wish to display, you then have the option of making the thumbnails hidden or visible. If you choose to have them visible at all times, they will simply show over here. Next, we have also the option to change out the triggers or the labels, so it would be view thumbs, view thumbnails, hide thumbs, show thumbs, etc. So you guys can use your own creativity within the following title section. Scrolling further down, we have our image caption. You can choose whether or not you want to display the image caption. And image caption is basically this little info icon. Once you hover over it, some text will show up. Now, in order to access that image caption, you would need to scroll up, go over to the images section, open up an image, or click on the image that you want to add the image caption to, and then simply add the text into the designated field. So everything's pretty simple here. Okay, so going back over to our custom layout. Alright, so image caption, and then here we have our add to lookbook button. You can choose to disable this option if that's required. Day and night mode, this is all pretty simple here. Choose whether or not you want to enable or disable the following option, and then choose the colors for the two different settings. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So everything within the following section is very simple, I'd say. There's just a whole lot of options for us to adjust, and a lot of I guess details to be aware if you do enable all of the features that we have listed out within our website. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope everything makes sense, and I'll see you around later.